Hey, this is Adam Knackers. In this video series, two-part video series, I'm going to show you a really simple way to start tracking your blog traffic from social media. So I'm sure you're posting all of your great content in all the different platforms like Facebook and Twitter and all the other social media. It's really important that you know how much traffic you're getting from these different platforms and which platforms are giving you the most traffic, right? So you can make decisions to keep increasing the traffic you're getting, to keep improving your results. One thing I want to say before you go further in this video, if you haven't yet set up Google Analytics for your blog, there's a link to a video where I show you exactly how to do that above this video that you're watching right now. Do that first and then come back here. Okay? So what I'm going to show you in this video is just how to create the tracking URL. Okay? And then in part 2, I'm going to show you how to actually find the data in Google Analytics and use it to make decisions to improve your results. Okay? So it's really simple. I just use Google Tools for this. And they're free. So the first thing you want to do is go over to Google and just type in URL Builder. If you just type in URL Builder, the first thing you get is the first result here at the top. Just click on it, okay? And then you're going to see, if you scroll down, you're going to see the URL Builder. And it's just a bunch of fields you fill in. I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go back to your blog post and just copy your blog post URL. Okay, and then you're going to come over to URL Builder and you're going to paste it in there where it says website URL. All right. Now for Campaign Source, that's going to be the social media platform where you're going to share it. So for this, and it can be Facebook or Twitter. I'm just going to show you how to do it for one. So Twitter. All right. Campaign Medium is what I usually use to identify like the specific Twitter account. Like I have multiple Twitter accounts. So I have one that's just my name, Adam Knackers. So I'm going to put AN tweet. All right. So this link is one I'm going to share in Twitter for this account, Adam Knackers. The campaign term, you actually don't need to fill out these two fields, term and content. This is for if campaign term is like for if you're doing some type of paid advertising and you want to like identify the keywords you're targeting. Campaign content, you can use this field if you're doing tracking for like landing pages where you're split testing, but for blog posts, you don't need to use either of these fields. For campaign name, I just identify the actual content here. So like this is a blog about tracking, and it's part 1. So I'm going to put tracking part 1. If you were doing a blog post about dog grooming or something, you might put in dog grooming. The bottom line is you want to just identify the content here, so you know which blog post. The other thing you could do here is also put like the date of your blog post. That's a way, what you really want to be able to, this is the identifier of the specific blog post. I just want to make that clear. Okay, so then you click on submit. And if you just scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see it created this URL for you. So you just copy this. And as you can see, it's your blog post URL with a bunch of variables appended to it. Okay, so you just want to copy the whole thing. And then I just use Google's URL shortener. So if you go to goo.gl, that's goo.gl, and you paste it in here, and then you click on shorten URL, there it is. And all you need to do is hit Control-C, because it automatically highlights it then. So now all I have to do is copy here. Okay, so I hit Control-C, and now I can just paste this into my Twitter account. So I can log into my Twitter account and just share this post. In fact, I'll do that. I'm just going to pause this. I'm going to log into my Twitter account and show you what I do here. Okay, so I'm logged into my Twitter account, Adam Knackers. Okay, and it says, then I'm just going to tweet this. Do you know how much blog traffic you're getting from your tweets? To learn how to track your tweets, go here now. And then I'm using this short URL, which actually has those variables with the values in there that are going to enable me to track this. Okay? So then all I need to do is click on tweet. And now I've tweeted using this tracking URL so that now I'm going to be able to get all the tracking I need from within Google Analytics. Okay, and that's what I'm actually going to be showing you in part 2 is how once you start doing this, how you're going to be able to actually access that data in Google Analytics and use it to start getting better results. So definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel so you continue to get these tips, and then stay tuned for part 2. I'll see you in that video.